Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy fix to resolve an error with the Google Play Store, where every time you try to install an app from the Play Store, it shows you an error that some other app is blocking access to Google Play. Turn off any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again. The fix is very easy. You just need to follow my instructions step by step. Now, to make the fix, first thing you need to do is to identify the app that is causing this error. That app could be any app that adds a floating display to the screen, something like the AZ screen recorder. If you see, when I turn on the AZ screen recorder, it pops up these additional options that float over the screen, just like that. Now this is what it means by a floating display. Now when something like this is on, it can cause the app to show you this kind of error. It could also be because of some other app like the LiveWallpaper app or the Accubattery app, or even if you just put your do not disturb mode on your phone. One easy way to identify this if you recently started facing the error is go into your apps and select show system apps and then sort by last updated. This way you will be able to see which is the app that has been recently updated that might have started causing it, or some new app that you just installed which started causing this issue. Once you've identified that, which in my case was the AZ screen recorder app, go to your nav bar and just exit the AZ screen recorder. Once you've done that, you can go back to Google Play Store, go back to the app that you were trying to install. Now at this point, two things could happen. Either the error is resolved for you, or you need to restart your phone for the full change to take effect. Now in my case, when I clicked install, the error is gone. I no longer see the error and the application download starts right away. So that's how easy it is to fix this issue on your phone. So in your case, if you have some other app like the Accubattery app or the LiveWallpaper app, you just need to go into the settings of that app and just make the change in the settings to not have the floating display enabled. Now this is a temporary fix. Floating display is a feature that app should be able to use, but recent updates to the Play Store have caused an issue where floating display does not work very well. You can also uninstall these updates from the Google Play Store, but that is not recommended because often you have some security updates that would be lost if you try to uninstall the updates from the Google Play Store. You can still do that, but that should be your last option if you are not able to identify which app is causing the install issue on Google Play Store for you. Hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which app was causing the issue for you. Do let me know which resolution worked for you. And most importantly, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.